here. All right. Back to the studio. Hopefully I'm in focus. Don't focus on this, Sony. I'm gonna put this here. Hey guys, how's it going? I just spent $319.93 to get the Rayban Stories smart sunglasses, which was just released yesterday in collaboration with Facebook. Keep watching this video because this video is going to be the only video you need to watch to make a decision on whether you need to buy it or not. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's start the video by unboxing this. The box looks pretty decent. I bought the round one. There are also like the square ones. On the box it says the name of the Rayban and also the Facebook, because this is a collaborative kind of production. And on the side it says Rayban Stories, which is like the name of this product. So let's just unbox it and see how it works. So, I love it. Okay, this is the part that you get wild. Oops. And so on top it says Rayban, Facebook. The name of the Rayban and Facebook is all over the place. Woo! Okay, looks dope. So this is the case, which is supposed to also be the charging case. There is the Rayban logo, if you can see, and it has a USB-C for charging the case. And it's supposed to be able to charge the sunglass 3 times every time that the case is fully charged. And the sunglass is supposed to work for up to 6 hours. And once you open it, you got your glasses. Okay, so let me put this here for like a second. Let's see what else we've got here. So it said download the Facebook View app. So we've got this case that you can put your glasses in it if you want to. We have the warranty and safety stuff and reference guide. So we are not going to get into that. And we got the cable, which is a USB-C cable, of course. So the case has a magnetic part right here, which I need to just take this off. And you see this magnetic part right here? This has to match this part, and you just put it there, and it's just gonna attach and start charging your glasses. And you see there's this orange kind of color LED light, which shows that it's being charged. So let's take a look at the glasses itself. So when you look at it, it's normal. How do I look? Do I look good? Do I look sexy? So these are my regular sunglasses. Let me see how is the weight difference. Of course, it's at least like twice more heavier, to be honest, because this is super light. So let me actually get the Facebook View app. Telling me if I press and hold this button on the right handle, it's gonna take a photo, and it says that there's gonna be a white notification LED inside that will blink and make a sound during the capture. At the next step it says for recording a video, just press this button once and it's gonna record a video up to 30 seconds, and the video is gonna be a square aspect, it's not gonna be wide. And there is a capture LED light on this side that once you press and hit record, it's going to turn on. It's for privacy, so people around you will know that they are being recorded. And it says you can use the Facebook Assistant to just say, hey Facebook, take a video, take a photo. So this side is touch. So if you tap it once, it's going to play or pause the music. If you double tap, it's going to skip forward. If you triple tap, it's going to skip backward. It's the same as your regular AirPods. And what else? And to adjust the volume, increase volume, decrease volume. And for taking calls, you just double tap over here and it's gonna take the call. And if you double tap again, it's gonna just end the call. And if you press and hold this, it's gonna reject the call. Hey Facebook, take a photo. Oh, you just took a photo. And there we go, you have the photo. So the photo is right here. Hey Facebook, record a video. Okay, nice
recording a video. You can see this LED light over here and say hi to the camera. And there's a limitation of 30 seconds, and it's square, it's not even 1080 or 4K. I don't know what's wrong with them. I mean, come on. At least have HD so we can use it as a content creator.
Like vlogs and stuff. And you see this button right here? You just press this once, and then it's gonna go around and update. It's gonna connect to your phone's your glasses Wi-Fi, and it's just gonna appear here once it's ready. So we wait. So this was like a 20-second video or less. Okay, it's right here. Since my phone is connected to the glasses, I'm hearing it from the glasses. I think you should be able to hear it. Look. So let's adjust the volume. Yeah. You know, the audio quality is not like, it doesn't have any bass. It's just, I would say the audio quality is just a phone call audio quality, or if you're listening to a podcast, not like to listen to music and enjoy the vibe. For that, you need to have a proper headphones. The thing is, if I'm in a public place, everyone is gonna be listening to my music or phone calls. It's weird. Yeah. So imagine if we are sitting like in the same room and I have these on, listening to something. You're listening to my music too. It's like you have a speaker like next to your ears. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go for a spin with the skateboard and see if people notice us recording, and at the same time we're going to be checking and testing the quality of the pictures and the videos of our Rayban sunglasses. So, or let's say I want to record a video. Hey Facebook, capture video. Okay, now it's recording a video. I mean, you're seeing I'm recording with the Osmo. Sorry for the skateboard noise, but this is how the video looks like. I'm gonna export and see later, but I have no idea from here because I cannot get a live preview, so I have no idea how it looks like. But you are gonna be the judge of that. So far, my biggest complaint is when there is too much background noise, I can't even hear anything on this, even if I'm on a phone call. So it should be like an absolute silence. But I don't like the fact that it only records in like 1:1 aspect ratio. It's not even full HD, it's not 4K. That sucks. So now I'm gonna fully switch on the Rayban. Yeah. Yeah, that's electric. How good, man? Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed and found value on this very mini review that I did on the Rayban Stories in collaboration with Facebook Smart Sunglasses. There is gonna be a more comprehensive video where I actually talk about the pros and cons of this great piece of technology. So if you have any questions about the Rayban Stories sunglasses, let me know below in the comments. I'm gonna be answering to all of those. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications if you enjoyed watching this video, and if you found value in it and you want to support the channel, make sure to destroy that like button for the algorithm, because once you like it, the algorithm is gonna assume that this video is a good piece of content, then it's just gonna push it to more people to watch it. So stay tuned and make sure the bell notifications are on. Thanks for watching. Until next video.